Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So, stick around, it's a very short lesson, and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Slenderman versus Jack Skellington. So we got Slenderman on this side, it's gonna be a face-off kind of thing. Let's get started, all right? Let's jump right into it. I'm gonna go right here, and again, it's gonna be really short. 5 to 7 minutes. Let's get started. Let's get going. So Slenderman over here, we're gonna draw the top of his head. All right. Gonna pull down over here from the forehead. Inward right here for the top of the eye. Outward a little bit for his like nothing face he has. Pull down to the chin. Gonna go over here, pull back for the tip of the chin there. Pull back for the jaw. And then the back of the jaw is gonna be over here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the back of his skull, which actually is the most common mistake I've ever seen for beginners, is making the back of the head too small. Curve over here. Down over here the back of the neck. Line over here for underneath the neck there, the throat. Down here for the rest of the neck. Line right here for the sternocleidomastoid, which is really just like a cord that goes from the back of the neck, the jaw, to the pit of the neck. Curve underneath here. So I'm just gonna throw a curve for the suit, right? We gotta draw the suit now. Line down for the blazer. Another line for the folded collar of the blazer right there. Over here for the shoulder. Out, down for the shoulder. Let's go over here this side. Up for the collar. A tie shape. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw. I go over pretty much everything. It's just gonna appear on your feed. So when you subscribe, occasionally you're gonna see, the announcements of like, okay, we're going over how to draw this today together, or something like that. So if you want to improve at drawing, absolutely hit the subscribe, because even just watching a video helps you improve, which a lot of people don't understand. Because you're organizing your mind, you're like mildly working out in your head how you're drawing that, or how I'm drawing, how you would draw that. And you're already getting better. The worst thing is if it's like a year from now and you haven't got better at all, right? That's the worst feeling. So a good thing is to subscribe to a bunch of drawing channels. This being one of them, if it's worth your time. Line down over here, curve down. And that's pretty much the edge of the suit. So what we really need now is a tendril coming out, right? He's got the right here, we got the tentacle arm. Down over here on this side. Maybe one over here. Let me see, would that go back there? Maybe one over here. Right? You gotta follow that line, make sure it makes sense. Right? If you really want, you can throw another one right here. Alright. Okay. That's it for Slenderman, and let's go over to, Jack Skellington. He's gonna be facing over here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curve over here for kind of the front of, kind of the top of the nose here and stuff. Top of the head. I'm gonna throw a curve here for the back of the head now, all right? Careful. Don't forget to check out the new website at sketchingeasy.com. There's pretty much how to draw all kinds of stuff there. There's book recommendations. I think the books that you should absolutely buy to become better at drawing if you're into all that stuff. There's, stickers you can buy. There's amazing stuff over there. Go check that out. And I'm constantly updating it for you guys. Go over here, curve right here for the front of the face. And now I'm gonna connect this over here. Okay, let's go over here for the neck. Basically, it's like a golf ball, like a golf tee, right? Curve, curve. Out over here for the collar, out, out, out. Right, he's got that cool bow tie thing going on with the collar. Down. Curve away for the front of the chest. Go over here to the arm. Down on that side. Line there. Line over here to form that little kind of like a bat face, cat face thing. Line for the eye. And then I'm going to curve right here for the front of the chest to the white part of the suit. Let's go over to his eye. Curve over here. Don't forget to check out also the basically there's a ebook on how to draw something cute. If you're interested in that kind of thing. I know these guys aren't that cute. He kind of is, but basically goes over that it's not about the size of the head and all that stuff like that. It's really about the proportions. So the eyes are big, but the mouth is small, and it's literally a short ebook, and it goes over every part of that. Like just there's little graphs too, and it shows you about that. So right after you read that ebook or just take a look at it, it's visual. You're like, okay, boom, you got it. And you could make cute stuff really well. But I'll put that link on the top of the description. Line over here, the nostril, curve over here, in right here for the eye. Go over here for the smile. And then we're gonna go bam, 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 bam. And then we're gonna fill in the eye right here. It's dark, right? The eye socket. Just fill it in. Draw a line over here for the arm. And that's mostly it. You can fill in his suit if you want. I don't really want to do that though. I think that'll be too much. I think that works, honestly, the way it is. You can, if you want, you can throw like a dark part here under the neck of Slenderman, just to give it some base there, to give it a little bit of weight, some gravitas. You don't have to. Same thing over here, a little bit dark on the tentacles on the bottom right there to show the light. Maybe throw curve light there for that part of the suit. That's it. That's Slenderman. If you really want, you can throw a little curve here, because he's got this kind of bizarre, like nothing face, right? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing, okay? Thank you. If you really want to help the channel out, please share the video. Share it anywhere, whether it be like Reddit. You can do an auto post in the bottom right-hand corner. Other than that, stay safe, stay artsy, okay? Talk to you soon.